Hi everyone, I saw this post sa isang Facebook group. Sabi dito, an amount of 18,400 was requested for the purchase of the office supplies. How much was released if 15% of the amount was not granted? May options tayo, of course, at ang tanong niya, ano po kayang tamang sagot? Thank you daw in advance. Now, malinaw yung ating hinahanap. Magkano daw ang na-release dun sa original fund or yung original requested amount na 18,400 kung 15% daw ang hindi na-grant. This is obviously what we call a percentage base and rate type of problem. At kapag percent base at rate ang pinag-uusapan, ang best friend mo lagi is this triangle. This triangle will remind you ano yung formula sa paghanap ng alinman sa tatlo. Percent, base, and rate. Laging related yan. So, kapag hinanap natin ng percent, ginagawa natin ay minumultiply yung given base at saka given rate. Ito yung triangle na sinasabi kong best friend mo dyan. P yung nasa top, percent ibig sabihin. B yung nasa baba at saka R. B being the base, R being the rate. So this is percent, B is the base, R is the rate. Now, ano yung strategy para makatulong tong matandaan mo yung formula kung anong dapat gawin? If you are looking for the percent, imagine na parang tatakpan mo ito. Purahin ko saglit. Anong natira? B and R placed side by side. Sa sa math, pag side by side ang quantities, they are implied to be multiplied. Minumultiply yan, magkatabi. So to solve for the unknown percent, you need to multiply the given base and the given rate. Kung nawawala naman ng base, imagine mong wala siya dyan. Ang natira is P and R placed on top of each other. So P over R ang ibig sabihin yan, which means to solve for the unknown base, you need to divide the given percent by the given rate. Ganun din sa R. Kapag si rate naman na nawawala, ang natira sa triangle ay si P placed on top of B, which means to solve for the unknown rate, kailangan mong hanapin yung percent, divide mo sa kanya yung given base. So, paano ngayon ma-identify kung ano yung P, ano yung B, ano yung R sa problem? Ang quick strategy then is to just remember that yung rate is always something na may percent symbol. Huwag ka malilito. Hindi porke percent yung isa siya yung may percent symbol. It's actually the rate who has the percent symbol every time. And then ang natitira yung base tsaka percent. General rule of thumb is that base is always larger. And then yung percent is just part of that. So technically, siya yung smaller amount. Ngayon, tingnan natin kung anong hinahanap sa problem. So, an amount of 18,400 was requested for the purchase of the office supplies. Magkano daw ang na-release kung 15% ng amount yung hindi na-grant? So, obviously, meron tayong rate. That's 15%. Pwede kong isulat yon. Small letter R na lang this time. 15%. How about 18,400? So, yun daw yung amount na ni-request. Kaso, 15% less ang dumating. Which means kung ano man ang hahanapin nating value, mas maliit yun sa 18,400. So, anong alam natin between percent and base? Base is generally larger, percent is generally smaller, which means 18,400 will be your base. We are now looking for the percent, which is essentially, ano yung dapat mong isubtract kay 18,400 para masagot yung tanong, magkano yung na-release? Kasi essentially, yun yung hinahanap, how much was released? But then, malalaman mo lang yan kung alam mo yung 15% nung 18,400. Okay, so first task, to solve for percent, sabi ko pag nawawala yung percent, diba? Imaginein mong wala siya dyan. Ang natira ay B and R placed side by side. So what you need to do is to multiply the given base and the given rate. Let's solve for the percent. Given base is 18,400. Multiply daw natin sa given rate which is 15%. Now, here's the thing. Hindi ko kayang i-multiply ito sa quantity na may ganitong symbol. So, I need to do something else. Kailangan kong i-rewrite yung 15% into decimal, which is essentially just moving 2 decimal places to the left. Laging ganun. Converting percent to decimal, laging 2 decimal places pa kaliwa. Which means ang problem mo talaga is 18,400 multiplied by 0.15. So, you can do that manually. Gagawin ko yon dito sa side. So, it's 18,400 multiplied by 0.15. So you do it manually, kagaya kung paano ka nag-multiply ng whole numbers. Dito muna sa rightmost digit ng isang factor, multiply mo sa lahat ng digit ng isa pa. So 5 times 0, 5 times 0, 5 times 4 is 20. Magre-regroup ka. Yun yung technical term para sa carryover. So 5 times 4 is 20. Dito yung 0, andun yung 2. 5 times 8 will be 40. Plus 2 will give you 42. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 will be 9. Tapos multiply si 1 sa lahat ng digits na yan. Basically, kokopyahin lang natin si 18,400 because any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. Pero remember, dapat katapat ni 1 yung first digit. So 0, 0, 4, 8, 1. Add mo lahat. You'll have 0, 0, 0. This is 6. 9 plus 8 will give you 17. Regroup mo si 1. Magiging 2 yan. So 276,000 ba ang sagot? Hindi. Tandaan na yung factor mo, may decimal. This is not a decimal, by the way. This is 18,400. So, comma yan. I can also remove that para maiwasan ng pagkalito. Kailangan bilangin mo yung number of decimal places na nasa factors. Na factors yung numbers na pinag-multiply. So, sa 18,400, wala kang problema. It's a whole number. So, yung decimal point niya nandyan. Pero sa point 15, notice, meron kang 1, 2 decimal places na nagamit. Kailangan mo ngayong i-apply yan dun sa product. Product ang tawag natin sa final answer ng multiplication. So, you start dun sa rightmost digit, count 2 decimal places to the left, 1, 2. Yan ngayon yung sagot sa tanong na ano yung 15% ni 18,400. That would be 2,760. Now, obviously, hindi pa yan ang hinahanap natin. Ang nahanap mo lang ay yung 15% na hindi na-grant. Ngayon ang tanong kasi originally, how much was released? Now, let's go ahead and answer that. Para masagot yun, isusubtract natin ito, yung 15,000 and 18,400 mula kay 18,400. So, I'll do it on this part, on this side. Subtract lang natin, 2,760. Of course, subtraction, kagaya ng addition, mahalaga na magkakatapat ng kakatapat yung numbers na parehas ng place value. So, you start dun sa rightmost digit. Yan ang mahalaga magkapantay and then the rest will consequently be aligned. So, 0 minus 0 is just 0. 0 minus 6, hindi mo i-bring down si 6 ha. Remember, nothing minus 6, mangungutang ka dyan. Regrouping ulit ang technical term for that. So, si 4 magiging 3 habang si 0 magiging 10. Now, you have 10 minus 6. Now, it's possible. May sagot dyan, which is 4. 3 minus 7 on the other hand is still not possible. Hiram ka ulit. Hiram lang ng hiram hanggang sa maging posible na yung subtraction. Now, you have 13 minus 7, which will give you 6. 7 minus 2 on the other hand is 5. And then 1 minus nothing is just 1. Ito ngayon yung hinahanap natin. Yung na-release na pondo o yung pera pambayad ng office supply is just 15,640, which is exactly option. So once again, sa pag-solve ng ganito mga uring problem, tandaan, ito ang yung best friend and the ability to actually recognize ano si percent, ano si base, ano si rate. Sana naging helpful itong video na ito.